Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy,
Paz.
and this is Strikebreaker. A song called Illuminated. Strikebreaker are from Indonesia, they're from Jakarta. And I really didn't know that when I fished them out of my bookmarks, and I don't know how they got in my bookmarks. So if you recommended them, sorry, I've lost where this came from. So, yeah, interesting thing. It's on Bandcamp. There's a link below their video, and there's a link to their video below this video, obviously, to their Bandcamp page. And this album, this is the Revolt edition, and it seems to be called Perished a Beautiful Notion. The Revolt edition. And the thing about this, it looks like a full album, is on Bandcamp. It's under Name Your Price. So they're essentially giving it away. Hopefully you'll be too embarrassed to take it for free, and you'll name a price that's
It just seems like we've got
$5 or something. I don't know.
New World Order, new version. So I just wonder if they've done some new recording. I don't know. Details are sketchy.
Yeah, details are sketchy, and I can't make a lot out. They're quite short songs.
And it was from 2016 is the released.
Right, so maybe it's a re-release. Because this video... Oh no, the video's from 2016. Sorry.
Yeah.
For some reason I got it into my head that it was a new one.
So I don't know where it's come from.
So I don't know where it's come from.
Who recommended it?
No.
And we don't know what it sounds like.
Though I do get a lot of comments from Indonesia. So there's a good chance this was in there and I didn't understand what it was saying, but I copied the link. That's possibly what.
So they might have said, don't listen to Strikebreaker, they're rubbish, and you just
here's a link to prove
Here's a link. When you just went, ooh, link.
Ooh, link.
We'll
yeah,
have a look at
that is possibly entirely what happened.
So we don't know what we're going to get.
So here we go, Strikebreaker from Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia. Someone's probably going to tell me that's wrong as well. I'm very good at getting everything wrong. I don't know what we're getting. You may have picked that up by now.
Touch me for the mistakes I've made.
That's what you get if you cattle prod Linkin Park.
Okay.
If you're electrocuting Linkin Park at the time they're recording, that's what you get. Yeah, a big shout out to the sequencer for putting all that together. And the drum machine for keeping it all tight. It was very electronic. There you go. I've run out of things to say. It was a nice chaotic noise sometime, but the thing I keep saying, Google Translate cannot translate Indonesian. It looks like they used it.
Yeah.
Doing a lyric video in a language that is not your own, you really should get checked.
Yeah.
By someone native to that language.
But even so, I wasn't a big fan of the lyrics, nor was I a fan of the vocals or the vocal melodies. The music, on the other hand, I can deal with that. I thought that some cool riffage in there.
That huge, heavy,
yeah,
electronic chaos sort of.
Yeah, I like that.
It's like chaos, but it's spot on, you know, in timing wise. But then that sequences for you.
It's just the vocals and the lyrics didn't click with me at all.
Didn't hold no.
So
yeah, I didn't really like it. I didn't really like it, but I didn't hate it. It was just
that was difficult. 5 or 6 out of 10.
It was what it was, but I wouldn't go back to it. Whereas we did Author and Punisher way back, and that wasn't like that exactly, but was in the same sort of wheelhouse. That's one of your words. It's not one of my words. That wheelhouse. And whereas I did go back to that, I went and checked out other stuff they'd done. So there's just something. Sometimes something grabs you that's outside of your sort of genres, and sometimes it doesn't. And this just didn't. I kind of went, I get it, and it's well put together.
Oh yeah, totally.
You know, he spent a lot of time in front of his mixer.
It's a proper band though. Yeah, on Bandcamp, it's a full band.
Was it?
Yeah.
Because
it could be.
I was thinking it was a guy and his sequencer. So pardon me. I'm going to have a quick click. Was it?
Vocalist, guitar, bass player, drummer.
Okay. Wow. Well,
there's a picture on there as well.
Okay then. Clearly, I don't know what I'm talking about, but it sounded like a drum machine. He was he'd been quantized to death. How's that?
Yeah, actually, he mixes two. Oh,
he's mixing
two process.
Production's too perfect.
Yeah.
So they quantized everything and mixed it. And also, we play a lot of videos, and I have my sort of settings for what I'm listening to. And as soon as this song came on, it was deafening. Somehow they managed to mix it to 11. Yeah. So, I mean, that's a skill. But yeah, wow, that was loud. So, yes.
Some decent ideas in the music. Vocals didn't do anything for me. Even though he mixed it up from sort of a clean melodic to whiny to shouty. I didn't really like any of it. Maybe it's just his tone, or perhaps what he was doing with it. I don't know. It did not click.
Didn't quite click.
Didn't quite click.
Yeah, and it wasn't even industrially enough to
satisfy the
industrial sort of thing. So I'm not sure where that sits. Let us know what you think. We've got some keen ears out there.
Yes.
So yeah, let us know. But it's on Bandcamp. I mean, if you are interested, it's on Bandcamp. Follow the link to their video where you'll see their Bandcamp link. And this album's out as a, what's it called again? Name Your Price. So who knows? Anyway, see you soon.
See you now.
Bye-bye.